Hi, okay, my name is Chen, and today in this video, I will guide you how to manage the multiple projects in Microsoft Project. Okay, so assuming you are a project manager, and sometimes when the company have a lot of work, that means you have to manage multiple projects at the same time. Okay, or even if you are program manager, so you have to manage a lot of related projects. Okay, and Microsoft Project is powerful and fully support for you to manage multiple projects at the same time. Okay, so let me show you how to do it in Microsoft Project. Okay, let's get started now. Okay, so firstly, I need to open a blank project file here, and then, for example, I have 3 projects here. I have to manage. Yeah, let me open each project for you to see first. Okay, and you see here, this is a project plan for project 1. Okay, cool. This is a project plan and timeline for project 2, project 3 as well. Okay, so so now I will create a blank project and then I will merge all 3 projects into one file. Yeah. So in this of open 3 files separately, I will just open one master file. Okay. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so open a project and create a new file. Yeah. And then I will call this one a master project, master program. Okay, so let me save it first into the desktop project. Okay, my master project plan. Yeah, version 1.0 or something like so. Okay, and then in the project tool, you go to the project tab on the response. Yeah, and then click on the sub project. Yeah, in the insert section. Okay, you can see some of the highlight or tip here. So insert sub project, it will be insert a related project and a sub project into the project plan. Okay, so select the row you want to be adding the content of the sub project. Okay, I will select the first row here. Okay, click on sub project, and then I will select, for example, project 1. Yeah, so here you see when you select the project 1 and you take a look at the below of the dialog, you see that we have a link to project. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, let me skip it at first and then I will demo you later on. Okay, insert. Yeah, and then if I want to add some more project plan into this file, so let me try it again. Click on sub project, and then you can select multiple files at once. Yeah, like this, or you can press the hold the control button on the keyboard, and let's go ahead to select some project plan. Okay, so you see here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So here you are able to change the location. I mean change the order of each project plan in the master plan. Just drag and drop here. Yeah. Okay. So now you take a look into the indicator column. Okay, you see here. We have an icon of the project, Microsoft project. Yeah. When you hover on this icon, you can see that this project was inserted right from the a specific file. Yeah. That means for now, when you are opening this project 1, 2, or 3 in this master plan, it still has some the link into the original file. Okay. So that means when you edit or update any content or any information here in the master plan, it will also reflect into the original file. Okay, so here let me show you the demo. Project kickoff meeting. Okay, by default it will take 1 day, but here let me change it to 1.5 days. Okay, and so now if I open the project one, let's see. Yeah, you see the project one has been changed for as a duration for project kickoff from 1 to 1.5 days. Okay, okay. Let me close the project one. Yeah, so here, but in order to shape the content, in order to shape some the updates from the master plan into a original file, so you have to shape the content in the master plan. Save it up. Okay, and then I close this file, open project one. No, it not work. Let me update it again. Okay, still not updated. Let me try to update it again. 1.5 day. Okay, save it up. Yeah. So here, when you click on the save button, it will save that you want to save your changes into project 1.mpp file. Okay. Hit to on and then close this one. Open the project 1. Yeah. So you see now project 1 has been updated to the duration for project kickoff. Okay. Let me clone this one into other file. Okay. And then I come back to the master project plan. Okay. Insert it again. Go to the project tab and sub-project. Navigate to the desktop further. Okay. So here, by default, this checkbox link to project will be checked. But here, let me uncheck this. Insert. Okay. So when you uncheck the checkbox link into project file, so you see here in the indicator column, it does not have the Microsoft project icon. Okay. Okay. So that means when we don't have any icon into the indicator project column here, that means all of the content from the project 0101 here has been copied into this file. In this link into our original file. Okay. So that means for now, if you are going ahead to do some the update or delete anything for the project 0101 here, so it does not impact into the original file. Yeah. It's okay. So when you perform this action, it looks like the same. When you just go ahead to do copy and paste the content from another file into this file. Okay. So here, let me try to update this one. Change it back to 1 day and save it up and close it again. Open the project, copy one. Yeah, and you see this one still have the duration is 1.5 days. Okay. So come back to the my master project plan. Yeah. So here, when you click into the icon here and go to the advanced tab in the insert project information. Yeah. You see in the source project, we have the link to project file. Okay. You can also change the permission from the read and write for the project one by just go ahead to uncheck into the read only. So that means when you have any updates in the master plan here for project one, so you cannot save it into the original file. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the configuration to manage multiple projects at the same time in only one file. Yeah, we can call it the master project plan, or you can call it the program's master plan. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Okay, thank you and see you guys in the next video.